Every day, millions of litres of water are pumped around the world to ensure that fresh water is supplied to consumer homes and recycled after use. Many of these pumps run underwater, making it difficult to inspect the condition of these devices. In its attempts to overcome this challenge, Anglian Water in the UK found a solution in the Netherlands.
The biggest difference between SAM4 and other condition monitoring techniques is that we use sensors that can be installed inside the motor control cabinet. So that saves you a lot of hassle with having to install a sensor on the equipment itself, especially when they are in hazardous zones, or for instance if you're talking about a submerged pump.
This technology is kind of ideal for borehole pumps really. The fact that you don't have to fit it to the borehole pump itself. It can be sort of up to 150, 180 metres below ground. So having to fit a monitor to that borehole pump would be very tricky. That means you'd have to take the pump out every time. Every time there's an issue with it, again, you'd need another crane on site, another gang to lift the pump. So having it actually in the MCC cabin itself is easy to set up, easy to maintain, sort of ticks the boxes really.
We started innovating because we saw an opportunity to do better, to use data science in real-world environments, solving real-world problems. So that combination of an opportunity to do better in an exciting environment really got us on this path towards zero unplanned downtime.
So Anglian Water's long-term ambition would be to make the shift from reactive replacement of borehole pumps to a more proactive approach, which will reduce risks to operation and reduce downtime as well, and ultimately improve the service to our customers.